Hey guys, it's been a wild week for Bitcoin. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization reached multiple 6-month highs before retreating suddenly late Thursday, but then rallied again. Bitcoin, BTC, was recently trading over $24,557, up almost 3.1% over the past 24 hours and off a weekly high early Thursday when BTC surpassed $25,000 for the first time since August. The reasons for its rebound from previous support around $22,000, subsequent decline, and then rally have varied. They underscore crypto's ongoing sensitivity to macroeconomic conditions and industry-specific events, even if BTC sometimes behaved counterintuitively. Earlier in the week, Darius Tabatabai, co-founder of Vertex Protocol, a London-based decentralized exchange, said that we may have the makings of another bull market. A day later, markets turned wary, and Bitcoin dropped more than $1,000 in a few hours amid hawkish remarks by Federal Reserve officials, the announcement of a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) lawsuit against disgraced Terraform Labs co-founder Do Kwon, and a disappointing wholesale prices report suggesting that inflation remains stubbornly resilient. By Friday afternoon, investors seem to have shaken off the latest discouraging news to push Bitcoin just a few dollars short of $25,000 again. And cryptos continued to outperform equity markets to which they correlated for much of 2022. Ether, ETH, the second largest crypto in market value, has risen more than 12% over the past week. To be sure, some observers think that regulatory overreach could drive away investment and spook markets. Based on their unwillingness to come to the table, it's clear that the SEC's motivations of late are being driven by a desire to protect the financial incumbents, that is, Wall Street. But investors remain largely optimistic about crypto markets. They see the Fed approving a second consecutive 25 basis point rate hike at its next Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting in March instead of returning to the more aggressive increases of 2022. And they hope that any economic contraction will be mild, a so-called safe landing that central bankers are seeking. And that's it for this week's update on Bitcoin. We saw some ups and downs, but overall, investors remain optimistic. As always, it will be interesting to see how Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies perform in the coming weeks.